In the heart of the lush green land of Zamunda, there lived a village called Kiboko. The people of Kiboko were known for their vibrant festivals and joyous laughter. But beneath their cheerful facade, a dark secret simmered. One night, under the shimmering glow of a full moon, the village elder, Mzee Juma, gathered the villagers. "Tonight," he declared, "we will summon the spirits of our ancestors to seek their guidance." The villagers, filled with excitement, prepared for the ritual. But little did they know, Mzee Juma had strayed from the path of righteousness. He whispered forbidden incantations, invoking spirits that were never meant to be disturbed. As the villagers danced around the fire, the air crackled with an eerie energy. Suddenly, a gust of wind howled through the trees, and the flames flickered wildly. The villagers gasped, their hearts pounding like drums. The next day, strange occurrences began to unfold. Amani, a young girl known for her beautiful voice, woke up to find her voice had vanished. Every time she tried to sing, only silence emerged. The villagers were puzzled. Meanwhile, Kito, the village's strongest hunter, found that his once mighty bow had turned to stone. No matter how hard he tried, he could not bend it. Fear spread through Kiboko like wildfire. Whispers of a curse filled the air. Desperate for answers, Mzee Juma sought the wisdom of Mama Nia, the village seer. She lived on the outskirts of Kiboko, surrounded by ancient trees that whispered secrets. As he approached her hut, the ground trembled beneath his feet, and shadows danced ominously. "Mzee Juma," Mama Nia said, her voice like rustling leaves, "the spirits are angry. You have awakened forces beyond your control. To restore balance, you must make amends." Determined to right his wrongs, Mzee Juma gathered the villagers. "We must seek the spirit of the river, who guards the waters of Zamunda. Only she can lift the curse." They journeyed through dense forests, where the trees seemed to whisper warnings. The path was fraught with challenges. Thorny vines tried to ensnare them, and wild animals watched with glowing eyes. But the villagers pressed on, united by hope. Finally, they reached the shimmering river, its waters sparkling like diamonds. There, they found the spirit of the river, a magnificent figure with flowing hair that glimmered like water. "Why have you disturbed my peace?" she asked, her voice echoing like thunder. Mzee Juma stepped forward, trembling. "We sought your guidance, Great Spirit. We have wronged you and the ancestors. Please forgive us." The spirit's eyes narrowed. "To prove your sincerity, you must offer a gift of truth. Each of you must reveal your deepest fear." One by one, the villagers spoke. Amani confessed her fear of losing her voice forever. Kito admitted he feared being weak. Mzee Juma revealed his fear of failing his people. As they shared their truths, the air grew heavy with emotion. The spirit of the river listened intently. "Your honesty shall be your redemption. Return to Kiboko and live with integrity. The curse will be lifted." With newfound courage, the villagers returned to Kiboko. They vowed to honor their ancestors and live in harmony with nature. Amani's voice returned, sweeter than ever, and Kito's bow regained its strength. From that day forward, Kiboko thrived, a beacon of hope in Zamunda. The villagers learned that true power lies not in ungodly practices, but in honesty, unity, and respect for the spirits that watch over them. And so, the tale of the curse of Nyamunda became a cherished story, passed down through generations, reminding all who heard it of the importance of living with integrity and honoring the past.